Today we have this Range Rover, which the paint is damaged from the sun. As you all know, here in Cyprus, the sun and the UV is very high, and if you don't have a covered parking, it can be easily damaged. As you can see, we are already halfway there. The half of the hood, the bonnet, is sanded. The old paint, the burned, and this is the original factory primer. So we're gonna leave it and we're gonna apply on top of it our primer, so any damage is gone. After we're gonna sand and prepare it for the boot to paint it. I've already applied the primer, so I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. It's dry, I'm gonna sand it and prepare it to go to the boot for painting. Also the headlight, as you can see, it's damaged from the sun, so we're gonna apply clear coat on it so it can last for many years. So let's remove now the cover and prepare also this one. And here we go. We are inside the boot, ready to paint. The whole car is covered. And after we paint the hood, we're gonna open this up, cut it, and apply the clear coat. When we are applying clear coat to the boot, we will apply also clear coat to the headlights. So are you guys ready for the results? Let's see together. Here are the lights, shining brand new. This will last for years. And can you see how shiny it is? It's like a mirror. So what do you think? If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. See you soon.